UbiOps is the fastest way to go from algorithm to application. It enables data scientists to very quickly turn algorithms into scalable, robust, and secure end-to-end applications without requiring DevOps knowledge. Easily deployed across public, private cloud, or on-prem. Centrally managed and fully secured with data and code encryption. Now Maria can upload her code and UbiOps will turn it into an operational model, which you can send requests to and connect with existing data sources. She can also easily connect different pieces of code together to create more complex data flows consisting of multiple processing steps. Version control, automatic scaling, monitoring, and security are all taken care of. Jessie now quickly knows the results of her team's work and can share it with the stakeholders. Moreover, Maria does not work alone, and with UbiOps, the whole team has a clear view of which models are live and how they perform. In case something goes wrong, everyone is notified early. Try UbiOps for free today and turn your algorithm into an application. Scalable, robust, and secure.